Namaste. Subject CA exam stands for Chartered Accounts exam. Paper 3 Business Mathematics, Logical Reasoning and Statistics. One paper, 2 hours, 100 marks. Chapter 1 Ratio and Proportion, Indices, Logarithms. Question Bank 1A, Multiple choice questions. Select the correct option out of the 4 given options. Problem number 32. Two numbers are in the ratio 2:3 such that the differences of their square is 125. The numbers are option A 15:10, option B 10:15, option C 12:18, option D 18:12. Okay, answer for this problem. Two numbers are in the ratio. Let the numbers be 2x and 3x ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Such that the differences of their square ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So differences of their square ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅನಂತರ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 3x ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ minus 2x whole square is 125. 125. So 3x whole square is 9x square minus 2x whole square is 4x square equal to 125. 9x square minus 4x square is 5x square equal to 125. Then x square equal to 125 divided by 25 is 25. So then x equal to square root of 25. So then x equal to plus or minus 5. So square root of 25 andre plus or minus 5 barutte. But we consider only positive. So then x equal to 5 ಆಯಿತು. So let the numbers ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. So numbers are 2x ಅಂದರೆ 2 into 5 and 3 into 5. So 2 5s are 10. Next 3 5s are 15. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. Thank you so much.